emprendedor. I'm here to explain something new to you. It's how we say I like or I don't like something in Spanish. I like, me gusta. I don't like, no me gusta. Me gusta, no me gusta. Now, I'm gonna show you some things and I'll let you know if I like it or if I don't, and then you let me know if you like it or you don't. Las fresas. A mí me gustan las fresas. How about you? Do you like them? ¿Te gustan? Or do you not like them? ¿No te gustan? Muy bien. El color amarillo. A mí me gusta el amarillo. What about you? Do you like it? ¿Te gusta? Or do you not like it? ¿No te gusta? Muy bien. Jugar fútbol. A mí no me gusta jugar fútbol. How about you? Do you like it? Or do you not like it? If you like it, you say, a mí me gusta jugar fútbol. But if you don't like it, you would say, a mí no me gusta jugar fútbol. Very good. Singing, cantar. ¿Te gusta o no te gusta? I love to sing. A mí me gusta cantar. Muy bien. How about doing homework? Hacer la tarea. ¿Te gusta o no te gusta? A mí no me gusta hacer la tarea. But everybody has to do it, right? I hope you had fun practicing me gusta y no me gusta. Walk around your house and look for things that you like, me gusta, and things that you don't like, no me gustan. And remember to subscribe to our channel so that you can see all of our new videos. See you soon. Hasta luego.